Hear me now, DVS.
LB, yeah.
Welcome to Shonna's Space. Ignore the mess of this here because this is the topic of discussion today. I actually not so long finished opening my braids and I feel like attempting something new. So I rarely ever slick my hair back into one, and I don't think I have any like actual gel. Well, I have gel. I have a little bit of the Cream of Nature Shine and Hold Control Glue. I have a little bit of that, and I also have a little bit of the Argan Oil. It's not, what is it called? Flexible styling. It's not. So I have like a very little bits of those. So it wouldn't be enough to slick back my hair. So today I'm going to attempt to make oat gel. Now I never even heard of people making gels or anything besides flaxseed and aloe until recently I saw this thing on Instagram. I'll try to link the YouTubers. She does all kinds of DIY hair products. So today I'm going to try her recipe. I think her name is IamNappy, maybe, I'm not sure, but I'll definitely try to link it below. Her oat gel looks really good. Like I never thought of any of that, so I'm definitely going to be trying oat gel, and furthermore in the future I might even try gel from other things that become slimy. So I'm guessing that that's the principle. So it's flaxseed and aloe have like a slimy quality to them as well as oat. I'm assuming that that is why we can make gel from them. So I'm just going to make this gel, come back and attempt to slick my hair back with it. We'll see if I'll be successful or not, because I mean, like, it's hard enough to slick my hair back with actual gel. Imagine a gel that is made at home, right? The recipe for this formula is 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of oats. Now to me the recipe don't make sense because that seems like a very small amount of oats to put with all of that water, but we shall see. So I'll be right back when I've finished making the gel and show you my results. So I've made my gel and I'm back, and I know that I said I was going to do a slick back, right? But I changed my mind because this gel is just amazing. So I decided to try like, you know, like a little bits and pieces of my hair to see like how the definition is, so that, you know, if I want to use it in the future, if I'm actually doing a wash and go, if it will be a good fit. So look at this. I have definition and it looks fairly good. Like, so I tried it at both the back of my hair and at the side. So these are actually different textures. The back of my hair is actually loosest part, so I tried the loosest part of my hair, and then this other part of my hair which has a different texture. And I'm getting definition at both parts. It's actually really good. So instead of doing the slick back, I'm doing the wash and go. Like, I can't help myself. I need to define all my curls and just make this happen. So I'm going to section my hair, probably. Will I? Yeah. Okay, so my hair section, I'm just going to work on this first section first. But first I should talk about the consistency of gel. It actually just reminds me of oatmeal actually, but without the, like if you took oatmeal, oats, whatever you call it, and you took it and blended it. If you blend the oats first and then made the oatmeal, but like it doesn't have like the obviously chunky bits of oat, it's just like a smooth consistency. So yeah, that's basically how it is. So I'm just going to spray this part. So that's basically gel. Just letting. So because my hair, I don't know, to me it doesn't clump all that well. I like to do the shingling method. That really helps with definition. As my curls do what they please. Wait, I'm supposed to put that up. Some cooperate, some don't. So one thing I must note is that when I did the back parts of my hair was, sorry, when I did the back parts of my hair, gel was, or rather when I did the sample pieces that really made me decide to do my hair in a wash and go. The gel was hot, well, not hot, but like warm, and it really defined my hair. So I'm actually finding that it's defining my hair a little bit differently now that it's cold. So that might just be a porosity type of issue, rather than the issue with the gel. So I'll see how out here it is, and if when it dries it's not as well defined, then I would know that I would definitely have to make sure that I use this gel when it's hot. So then we're also going to try this without putting any water first and see how that is then. So I've completed this section and I'm just going to come right back. I'm going to come back when I finish the rest of my hair. I'm back. I finished raking the product through my hair and shingling and everything. Well, I started shingling. I ended just raking it through my hair. And then I actually started to run out of gel because I didn't make enough. But this is it. I don't particularly love the shape of my hair, as I've said many times on this channel. So more than likely when it's dried I'll put it up, or I might put it up now as soon as I finish recording. But the one thing that I don't like about it so far is that it kind of has a cast. So like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like parts of my neck where it would have gone, parts of my skin where it would have gone on my neck or whatever, you can see like a white type of thing, as if I took plain porridge and just put it on my skin. So more than likely when the hair is finished dry, it's going to have a cast, and I'm going to have to break that out with some oil. But that's about it. I'll definitely try to come back to you guys when the hair is completely dried. But yeah, my hair is mostly dry. I still don't like the shape, but I think today I might actually leave it down. I don't feel it putting it up. It's just like the roots that are wet. Well, not even wet, just a little bit damp. So this is actually really makes me want to cut my hair, or at least cut off my colored hair. Because look at the back here, the hair where with my virgin hair, the hair that has not been bleached or anything like that. Like, look how the definition there. And yes, that part of my hair is looser texture. So like that partially accounts for it. But look at this front piece, part of the area where I initially tested how the dye would, why we're talking about dye, how the gel would work in it. Like, there isn't any dye, or if there is some, it's like a very small amount at like the end. And like that has like a really good definition compared to like these parts that are dyed, where your definition is so it's not as good. Like the curls don't clump the way how they should. I don't know. Like my hair doing what it feel like, but that's life. So
3 days later.
So it's been a couple of days since I did the wash and go with the oat gel, and I didn't hate the gel, but it was flaking so much. But that's partially my fault because I didn't wash my hair first. And we all know how our products end up, how our gels or sometimes our products in general have a issue with interacting with each other. So that's probably like why it flates. So I'm definitely going to try it another time when I've, when I don't have any products in my ear. Because last one I did the aloe and flash gel, that did not flake at all. I usually flake flash gel, has a tendency to flake with me. So definitely will try it again. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe.